today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Yelp app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just go down here, just keep going down here. So then you click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on privacy settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here, just waiting to open video like this. You go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to what businesses here can say about me, and here can you select it here in this list on your Yelp app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.